Look at the clock. I must send this drink to Brewmeister Bilger in South Shore. I owe him this item. We have only 15 minutes. Please take this box to him now. Go quickly. What is the news? Ah, Macreel's drink. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. The old wet envelope breaks in your hands. You hold a few pages of a letter. A man wrote it with care. The letter is for Sarah Ballou in Ironforge. It says, "My dear Sarah."
You walked a long way. You saw a lot of war. The world is very hard now. What is your news? You saw my Sully under the cold water? Is he dead? Oh no. I want to read his letter now. Kill 10 Syndicate highwaymen and 6 Syndicate mercenaries. Return to Captain Niles at Refuge Point. Every hour we lose more control of the city. You must hurry or our city will fall. Very good. With those enemies dead, it will be easier to get food from South Shore. Maybe we still have hope.
Find Squirto at Refuge Point in the Earthy Highlands. So, Malin sent you? I don't care if a dead hero woke up and brought you here on a dragon. I am busy. Talk to Crichton if you need something. Take this letter back to the city and tell the boss that we will be home soon. He will reward you well for helping us here. I am sure of that. Travel safely. Yes, you look vaguely familiar. I do apologize, but have we met? I get so busy I lose track. By the light, you did it. How wonderful. The old master will be so happy. I am sure my friends are excited to come back to the city. Thank you. Please take this gift to help you in your travels. Find Quay and Kinalori near the Goshek farm in the Earthy Highlands.
Try to be as quiet as possible, traveler. The orcs do not like people watching them, and there is something strange about this farm. Find the courier and bring back her sealed folder to Quay near the Goshek farm. Thank you for your help in looking for that messenger. While you were away, Kin saw a doctor come out of that same house to the south. I am sure they are doing bad things. I just need proof before we act. Did you have any luck yet? Excellent. Let's see what this is about. This is interesting. It seems the doctor has been working on dangerous experiments here at the farm. I am not sure why, but our boss will not like it if we let it continue. We had a fight with some orcs while you were away, and I am too weak to help Kinalori. She needs protection when she goes to the farm to steal the research papers. I will destroy our enemies personally if it helps our boss find peace. He did a lot for us after the sickness. We did not think we would find friends again. Tell me when you are ready. We will start immediately. Okay, I am ready if you are. Let's go. We must stop talking now. Protect Kinalori if you want to help our people. You did a great job for us. Thank you. I hope she was not too much trouble. She is very nice, but she is dangerous to her enemies. Kinalori looks good now. You did a great job protecting her. The items she took from the farm will help Finn understand what is happening here. We will stay here a bit longer to be safe. Can you go back to South Shore and talk to Finn?
So my two friends are okay. Haha, I am happy to hear it. Thank you for telling me where they are. I am very glad they are alive. They are great friends. But I must thank you correctly for your help. Please take this gift. Hopefully, we will learn what the enemies are doing and stop them. Find 10 witherbark tusks, 4 witherbark medicine pouches, and a shadow hunter knife for Apprentice Crichton at Refuge Point. Did you have any luck yet? My book says the tusks come from any troll here. The medicine bags come from the witch doctors, and the strongest shadow hunters have the special knife. You will only find out who has the knife during battle. Incredible. I see why the Archmage asked you to help us. Very well done. At this speed, Squirtle and I will go back to Stormwind very soon. My dwarf friend is back from checking the Ogre Hill. Go talk to him when you are ready. It looks like he had a small fight with the ogres. Don't tell him that, though. He gets very sad when people say he is bad at scouting. Hey! Sorry I was rude earlier. I found out where Trelane's first item is. An ogre has it in the big hall. He is using ice magic on his friends to control them, so he is close to learning all its power. That hall is south of here. Find the ogre and get that magic stick back. While you are gone, I will plan what to do about the city. Our goal is the magic stick. Focus on that now. Brilliant. 1 item is here and 3 more to go. Looking at my list. The other 3 items are all inside the ruined city. Take a rest and get your strength back. The next part of my plan will need more time and work. Come back to me after you have a hot meal and some rest. Here you go. You just need to press the stone against one of the pillars near the bottom of the tower to turn on its defenses. Use it when you are ready to enter the tower and find Trelane's other items. Good luck to you. I will wait for you here at the camp. Oh, and talk to Squirtle before you leave. He will give you the rest of the details you need. Good. If there are no other delays, how about we get started? There is a reward for the head of Mara's Cowl, an important worker for the bad group. She was last seen inside the city area controlled by them. You can get your reward from Captain Niles. Warned. Marez is a skilled and smart magic user, famous for working with monsters. Be very careful when you hunt her.
Greetings. Do you have a report to make? You defeated Mara's Call? Good job. Very well done. Marez was a danger to our defenders, and stories say she worked between the bad group and some darker power. We are glad she won't use her magic against us anymore.
Our soldiers have placed rewards for the heads of Lord Falconcrest and his bodyguard Otto. Falconcrest leads the bad group's work in the Earthy Highlands, and his death would cause a big problem for them. His bodyguard Otto is a fierce fighter, and he has killed many of our defenders. You can get the reward money from Captain Niles.
Hello. Do you have a report to give me? Falconcrest and Otto? Wonderful. Here is your money. I am happy to pay it.
Free. I am free. I am free to get stronger, away from the people who caught me. If they saw me now, they would easily defeat me and put me back in prison. But later I will fight the giants, and they will be sorry they kept me here. You are a good friend. I will need your help again later. When I am ready, I will need you to call me to the surface world. Talk to Zaruk in Hammerfall. He knows how you can call me. Welcome. The lady told me you were coming. If we want to bring her back to the surface world, we have a lot to talk about. Free. I am free. I am free to get stronger, away from the people who caught me. If they saw me now, they would easily defeat me and put me back in prison. But later I will fight the giants, and they will be sorry they kept me here. You are a good friend. I will need your help again later. When I am ready, I will need you to call me to the surface world. Talk to Garrig Bonegrip. He is in Ironforge in a shop in the cave. He knows how you can call me. The lady told me you were coming. You are welcome in my home because you and I helped the same important group.